The crow's court of law, where the guilty is sentenced to death. That's a crafty and cunning bird like the crow cannot only have laws for its species and abide by them, but can also punish the lawbreakers is nothing short of a believe it or not tale. Nevertheless, this is exactly what happens in the crow world. We not only know and recognize the common crow, but it has many relatives and cousins. In total, there are 126 species, that is, the types of crows we have. They are well known for their high quality intelligence. They live more or less in groups. Not just this, but to keep up the unity amongst themselves, they have very strict rules of behavior. No crow can take care of its selfish needs at the cost of the whole group. Another species named ravens may be seen flying about alone, but as soon as it is twilight, dozens of such ravens collect at their decided place. The ravens go separate ways to search for food. As soon as the raven spot a carcass, then according to the laws of the group, it is not allowed to satisfy its hunger alone. Their meeting will be held at the usual place. It will give the news about having food found to all the members of the unkindness. Once the news has been conveyed, the whole flock will start off the next day to have a feast. If they cannot polish off the whole animal during the first feed, they leave the leftovers and return to the next day and consume it. If the member has taken a bite stealthily without informing the others about the food being found, its membership is cancelled immediately and the guilty crow is surrounded by other crows and given the capital punishment. A group of crows is known as a murderer, which has not been yet included in the primary Oxford Dictionary. Each member has to be very particular in their honesty and discipline and loyalty. Even a little mistake will bring on the anger of the group and the guilty crow is punished. A meeting which takes place to discuss the culprit and its punishment has been named as the Rook's Parliament by the ornithologists, but in actual fact it is a court of law. The reasons for the punishment may be the accused of having satisfied its hunger alone without informing the others, or it may have stolen a few sticks from its neighbor's nest. It is also possible that the crime committed may be grave, and it is even probable that it is not serious at all, but if it is proved beyond doubt, that is, if it is found guilty as charged, the court gives the only verdict it knows: the guilty rook is sentenced to death. Apart from it, there are many cases about healthy crows being killed in this manner. Thank you guys for watching my video, and do like, comment and subscribe to my channel.